Hello everyone, welcome again in my channel. Are you looking to unlock your streaming and gaming voice like a pro? Today we are unboxing and testing a premium USB gaming microphone from Zebronics and that claims to level up your sound game. So let's check. So here's the box, very clean and in a finished. As in the front we can see it is a premium gaming microphone Zebronics and the model number is Clarity with a 360-degree of adjustable neck, crisp and clear audio. On the back it has provided some features. It has a USB interface, 1.5 meter of cable, mute button also it has provided, noise filtration also, and it also gave LED indicator. So this is just a plug and play. So hang on. Alright, here comes the moment we all love, that is unboxing time. So let's unbox. So here's our microphone. So first thing, we got a microphone itself, neat packed, and the next we got a sturdy adjustable stand, as you can see, for desk placement. And here's the USB cable with its 1.5 meter long wired, giving you enough length for flexible setups. Of course, we get the user manual for setup guidance, but hey, who really reads that when you have got me here? I'm here to show you how to set up and all. So this is our microphone as a sleek black matte finish with a classic cylindrical design. Definitely looks premium on the desk. It is of a plastic body, giving it a solid durability and looks like a pro look. The adjustable desk stand, and you get also a mute button here, as you can see. And yes, completely USB plug and play, so no need for drivers, just connect and go. So cable length is of 1.5 meter, enough to connect from your desk to your PC or laptop easily. This Zebronics claims that it has also a noise filter, LED indicator. Alright, it's time for the real deal. How does it sound? So well, I'm connecting with my PC via this USB. Has a RGB lightning here, it giving so super gaming vibes, guys. So let's time for the real test. So I will provide some sample recorded voice here. Hey guys, this is the voice test from the Zebronics premium gaming microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Whether you are gaming or streaming or just doing voice chats, this is the quality you can expect. The sound is very crisp and clear, and you can clearly hear that the depth and clarity, perfect for streamers, gamers, or even work from home meetings. Now here's my honest take after testing this mic truly. So about its pros and cons, this plug and play USB, super easy to use, clear and very crisp sound for gaming and streaming, sturdy and very adjustable stand, and included very premium finish, looks great, affordable price. And about its cons, it has no advanced features like gain control or headphone jack. Fixed pickup pattern, best suited for direct voice recording. Hey, for this price, it's still like a deal. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet professional-looking USB microphone for gaming, streaming, or even meetings, this Zebronics premium gaming mic is definitely worth considering. It's good, solid, but it is good, solid. It got solid, good. It's got solid build quality, plug and play convenience, and surprisingly good sound for the price. So let me know in the comments what's your primary use for the mic and gaming, YouTube, or meetings. So I will reply to your comments personally. And please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more awesome tech reviews.